Good morning, everyone.
Here's my coffee corner, and I've got everything we need for the perfect brew.
Fresh beans make all the difference. Listen to that beautiful grinding sound.
Perfect temperature, not too hot, not too cool. Timing is everything for great coffee.
Watch it bloom curd. That's how you know the coffee is fresh and ready. Slow and steady wins the race, almost ready for that first perfect sip. Thanks for joining me for coffee this morning too. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more cozy morning routines.